clearly by crafting an intelligence that is somewhat human, that can at least solve problems like a human can do, means we're in the final battle. We're in the final piece of an unlock for technology to move forward.
Is docile enough to tell us how to keep it under control. They figured that if they could get
that idea that superintelligence may be misaligned is called the AI alignment problem, something I also plan to cover.
this recursive self-improvement going, the machine would soon get smart enough that it could also teach itself all other human skills that would be useful. It was 9 o'clock on a Friday morning when they decided to launch. Prometheus was humming away in its custom-built computer cluster, which resided in long rows of racks in a vast, access-controlled, air-conditioned room. For security reasons, it was completely disconnected from the internet, but it contained a low copy of much of the web: Wikipedia, the Library of Congress, Twitter, a selection from YouTube, much of Facebook, etc., to use as its training data to learn from. For simplicity, I've assumed today's economy and technology in this story, even though most researchers guess that human-level general AI is at least decades away.
So this book was written in 2017, 6 years ago. And at the time, the prediction from the craziest prediction book, which is kind of just referenced here, decades away, was Ray Kurzweil, The Singularity is Near. And this was 2050. And this book did an amazing job at kind of pushing it towards 2050. And this book gave me one of the deepest existential crises ever. And I thought, this is so bullish. And it was hard for me, and I struggled to think that 2050 was the date. It's not a struggle for me anymore.